Hello everybody, in today's video I want to talk about Arbitrum ecosystem and go through some tokens I'm looking at. I'm currently building my Arbitrum portfolio and picking some gems which are going to perform very well during the next bull market, and I want to show you a couple of the projects I reviewed and going to share which one I'm personally buying. And so I did already a couple of videos about Arbitrum myself, most of them regarding the airdrop, how you could boost your rewards, how to be eligible for the airdrop, potential airdrop. And during those tasks we were touching multiple DeFi protocols, doing some transactions, and this makes me give me some common sense about them. I did touch it myself. I can do some analysis based on my personal feelings as a user, because at the end of the day is going to be some end users and people who are going to be putting their own money in those protocols, so I think it also makes a lot of sense. And before I jump to those coins, I want to say why it's important to build your Arbitrum portfolio right now. So as an example, it is Polkadot ecosystem, and if you were in crypto space 1 year ago, November 2021, everything was going crazy with the bull market, and Polkadot was also one of the top performer during this time, and it grew that fast and it was ranking very high. Now it's like 11th place in the all cryptocurrencies, and we know that small coins and small low cap coins, they pumped much more, and when everything was growth already, and we were already aware that Polkadot itself is performing very well, people were just crazy looking for any type of coins in the ecosystem and were buying everything without any idea what those projects are about. They were just waiting for those X's and crazy gains, but the people who bought those coins in advance, they were early, and those people made like 25x, 50x because they were early and did it in advance. And I think that with Arbitrum we have at least half a year to build our portfolio and to learn more about the ecosystem, and I'm pretty sure it's going to be top performer, and it's great layer solution because you're also using it yourself, that it is nice touch. And if you are using also, like for example ZK Sync and Arbitrum, I cannot compare it in my user experience, and I am paying much more attention for Arbitrum because I enjoy using it myself. So, and what crypto I'm looking at, first it's a lot of research going forward for me, but for now I'm looking at top project on the chain with 7-day highest activity accounts, and if people actively use it, it seems that it's going to be more attention later on, and maybe those protocols are much better. So, and from this list I took a couple of I'm enjoying using myself, and I'm going to review them, and it's something I did already for me. So I'm going to start with Radion. So this one is actually also like one of the DeFi protocols. It is lending protocol built on Arbitrum. It is only Arbitrum in a chain in here, and it is very new one. The coin launched also like not that long time ago. At least it was added in CoinMarketCap and July, and it is ranking 3,000 almost place in all the cryptocurrencies. So we could say it's very small, and you could see in their market cap. So in this case it looks quite good with this price accumulation phase for now. And what else? So you could log this coin and earn 63% RPR. At least it's something we have for now. This percent could change and it's absolutely okay, but it's huge RPR, and it will be received in this crypto, which is not that bad actually. So in my opinion it has some potential and looks nice. So it is 1,000 people added it in watch list. And another project which is also a very new one, and also from this list, just in comparison, called Dopex. And pretty much same ranking, all cryptocurrencies. It's on Ethereum and also on Arbitrum, so also like quite a new one. It's also from August, in coin market cap 80, but at the same time it's like 8 almost 9k added on the watch list. I don't know what is the reason. Maybe it's more interest from the audience to this project, I don't know. It's just something I was able to see, and what caught my attention. So the price is also in good accumulation phase. I think it's quite good looked in here. It also was part of the airdrop, so this is a decentralized option exchange. Maximum liquidity in minimum exposure options protocol. We were using it also during the airdrop tasks, and I did those farms in here, so it has multiple functionality, a bit different from like farms, pools, like a normal way. So it has something I have never touched myself, but anyway, we have this one, and also the new project, and one of those ecosystem projects. And one more DeFi protocol, it is GMX. It is the exchange, and it's already existed one, even in the Twitter. It is back in February 2021, has a lot of audience in here, and it was already built on Avalanche, and that's why it was bringing a lot of audience in here. And now they're also live on Arbitrum. It's already ranking 100 place in cryptocurrency overall, but the price is going like sideways during this period of time, so I think it's still quite good for buying. It's just more liquidity, I mean more market cap already, so it doesn't have that much potential, but at least it has the proof that people are using it, and Arbitrum will bring even more people into this platform, because it's already have people from Avalanche ecosystem, and it will be even more. So in this case it is looks quite good. And also one project outside of this DeFi, I didn't touch it, just one of my friends enjoy this a lot, and he was buying this one, and actually the price, I would say, is quite good and performing very well. So some people enjoying meme coins. I think that they have potential, I mean price wise, and also Elon Musk are very encouraged to put some mass adoption into it, and I think Dogecoin could be our currency for future. I mean, I really think that it could happen because of this personality of Elon Musk, at least. So, and each ecosystem has its own meme coins, and for Arbitrum ecosystem, it's also some of the coins which are new, and people start looking at this at very first stages. So I would say this one is also very new. It was launched like I would say less than 1 month ago, and it has some good price for now. So maybe if you are looking for some investments like this, it also could be part of your portfolio for very small amount. So it depends on the people. It's actually the rank is not that bad. Even like I just compared this watch list, so it's quite less amount of people, but it's very good price increases for this time. And meme coins could perform very well because it's easy to understand for the people who are new to the crypto space and they're jumping. So normally people know only meme coins like Doge and Shiba Inu outside of Bitcoin and maybe Ethereum. So the next coin they buy, it's meme coin. So thinking about this in this way makes me feel, yes, it has some potential, but I just want to share it with you. Maybe you could do some research and also look into it. And I said that I will share the coin I'm going to buy from the ecosystem. So I'm personally thinking that for my portfolio I'm buying a Radion Capital because I enjoy the RPRs. I see the potential. It's very new and it has more room for growth. I think that the price quite good for now. I think that it's kind of in all-time lows. It could potentially go low, but it seems quite good for now. Even if we look for 1 year low and highs, we are very pretty near from the lows. Yeah, it doesn't mean that you should buy some crypto today or tomorrow, but you could get some more research done and look into it. So for me personally is Radiant Capital, and I don't think that it's a good idea to buy like one DeFi protocol, one NFT project, one other project. Maybe it could be combination of multiple projects, but we have much more coins into the ecosystem, and many more are going to be launched. It's going to be much more when we are going to the bull market, but for now I think it's a good investment for me, and it will be the number one coin I'm going to add in my Arbitrum portfolio. So it is actually all I wanted to share with you guys today. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.